Have you ever wondered why the Labrador is the most loved dog in the world? Why it's always called the gentle soul? And how sometimes it becomes a true hero, saving lives? Stick with me. We're going to answer every one of these questions with real footage and real scientific research. So why is the Labrador the most popular dog in the world? Is it just the cute looks? Or do the numbers back it up? According to the American Kennel Club, AKC, the Labrador was ranked #1 in the US for 5 years in a row, from 2014 to 2018, and it's still holding the top spot among dozens of other breeds. What you're seeing now is the official AKC ranking chart. Labrador Retriever, ranked #1, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. People love this dog not just for its comforting look, but because it's smart, reliable, and easy to live with. Being #1 for that long? That's not a coincidence. Why do people always call the Labrador the gentle soul? I mean, just look at that face. Isn't it smiling? A study from the University of Helsinki explains it perfectly. The researchers wrote, "Dogs distinguish emotions behind facial expressions, preferring to look at the eyes." That means dogs, especially Labradors, can actually read our emotions through facial expressions. And they love looking into our eyes. That's why, when you meet one, you instantly feel a connection. A calm gaze, soft energy, like you're talking to someone who understands you. So, many people ask, is the Labrador too gentle? Like, is it really that calm? A major study was conducted in 2021 at the University of Helsinki, led by researcher Sala Mikkola, involving more than 13,700 dogs of various breeds. The researchers found that Labrador Retrievers, along with Golden Retrievers, had some of the lowest odds of aggressive behavior among all breeds. The study stated, the breeds with the lowest odds of aggressive behavior were Labrador Retriever, Golden Retriever, and Laponian Herder. It was one of the largest studies ever on canine behavior, and it used detailed surveys with dog owners to measure aggression across many breeds. The result was clear. Labradors are among the most peaceful and friendly dogs out there, and that's why people often feel safe and comfortable around them, even if they've never interacted with a dog before. So how does a Labrador sometimes turn into a real-life hero, saving lives? The story you're seeing now is from CBS News, with a clear headline, "Dog Saves Toddler from Drowning." The dog's name was Bear. When the toddler fell into the water, the Labrador carried him on its back and stood there until the boy's mother arrived and pulled him to safety. And this kind of story? It's not rare. Labradors are known for their loyalty and quick response in moments of danger. That's part of what makes them one of the best family dogs you can have. But where did it all begin? The Labrador was originally a working dog that helped fishermen off the coast of Canada. They relied on it to retrieve fish that fell into the water, or even lost nets. According to documents from the American Kennel Club, AKC, these prototypical Labrador Retrievers became well known for their infatuation with water and their skill at operating in it. These dogs were so good in the water, they could dive and bring back birds or gear from under the surface. From working by the sea, to competing in dog shows, to being the loyal family dog we all know today. So, what's a Labrador really like at home? Or in the backyard? According to a study published in the journal Applied Animal Behavior Science, researchers followed 55 Labradors and found that their behavior varied depending on several factors. The size of the space, how often they exercised, whether there was another dog in the household, and even whether the dog slept inside or outside. All of that had a direct impact on their activity levels, obedience, and even whether they dig or chew on things nearby. Did you know some dogs can actually detect cancer just by smelling a person's breath? A published study titled Diagnostic Accuracy of Canine Scent Detection in Early and Late-Stage Lung and Breast Cancers trained 5 dogs to sniff breath samples from cancer patients. The study stated, and this is what you're seeing highlighted on screen, overall sensitivity of canine scent detection compared to biopsy-confirmed conventional diagnosis was 0.99. That means the trained dogs were 99% accurate, almost as accurate as a medical biopsy. So yeah, Labradors aren't just friendly, they might actually help save lives. How can a dog sense its owner's emotions? A study published on PubMed in 2017 set out to answer a surprisingly deep question. Can dogs detect human emotions just through scent? In the experiment, trained Labrador and Golden Retrievers were exposed to body odors from people experiencing either fear or happiness. The researchers then observed how the dog's behavior changed. The study stated, and this is the line highlighted on screen: do human body odors, chemosignals, produced under emotional conditions of happiness and fear, provide information that is detectable by pet dogs, Labrador and Golden Retrievers? And the answer was yes. Dogs were actually able to distinguish between emotional states. That tells us one thing: the bond between dogs and humans is much deeper than most people imagine. The Labrador isn't just a sweet dog, it's a loyal companion and a potential hero. All the scientific studies and sources we mentioned are linked in the video description below. Check them out if you want to learn more. What did you like most about it? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode.